In Los Gatos, California, 95032, Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment is a great choice for sewer repair. From basic maintenance to complex repairs, their skilled and experienced crew is well known for handling a variety of sewage issues. Are you looking for sewer repair near me? You can stop looking. You found Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment. How do you repair sewer problems? At Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment, our approach to sewage repair in Los Gatos, CA, 95032 begins with a thorough assessment to accurately identify the source of the problem. We use advanced diagnostic tools, such video camera inspections, to find and evaluate issues like blockages, leaks, pipe corrosion, and root infiltration. What is the purpose of sewer repair? Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment in Los Gatos, CA, 95032 strives to find and address problems with a property's sewer system in order to ensure effective waste disposal and avoid health risks. Leaks, unpleasant odors, and water damage can be caused by corrosion, ground shifting, tree root intrusion, and pipe clogs that harm sewer lines. Where is your service area? The communities of Santa Cruz, Soquel, Capitola, Scotts Valley, Aptos, Watsonville, Los Gatos, Saratoga, Campbell, Morgan Hill, Marina, Cupertino, Pacific Grove, Gilroy, and San Jose are among the California towns that Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment is happy to serve. Where is your Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment located? We are located at 303 Potrero St. Suite 198, Santa Cruz, CA 95060, United States. Our phone number is 831-999-2029. Visit our website, https://santacruzplumbingrepair.com/Santa Cruz Plumbing Draining Water Heater Repair/